Most people think ChatGPT is just another chatbot. They ask simple questions, get average answers, and move on. But the quality of ChatGPT's answer depends on the quality of your prompt. Today, I'll show you 7 powerful ChatGPT prompts that can save you hours every day. Whether you're a student, developer, content creator, freelancer, or working professional, these prompts can completely change how you use AI. Let's begin. Prompt 1. Learn any skill faster. Instead of asking, "Teach me Python," use this prompt. Act as an expert instructor. Teach me Python from beginner to advanced using simple language. Practical examples, projects, interview questions, and a learning roadmap. Explain everything step by step. This creates a complete learning path instead of random answers. Replace Python with React, SQL, AI, JavaScript, marketing, or any skill. Best for students, developers, career switchers. Prompt 2. Professional email writer. Act as a professional communication expert. Write a clear, polite, and professional email based on the information below. Improve grammar, tone, clarity, and keep it concise. Perfect for office work, client communication, internships, job applications, and customer support. Prompt 3. Summarize anything. Act as an expert summarizer. Summarize the following document into simple bullet points. Highlight key ideas, action items, deadlines, and explain difficult terms in simple language. Perfect for PDFs, research papers, meeting notes, and business reports. Prompt 4. AI coding assistant. Act as a senior software engineer. Build production quality code using best practices. Clean architecture, proper folder structure, comments, and error handling. Explain every step in beginner-friendly language. Perfect for Python, React, JavaScript, Django, Node.js, and SQL. Prompt 5. Content creation machine. Act as a YouTube growth strategist. Generate 20 video ideas for my niche. Include titles, hooks, thumbnail ideas, SEO keywords, and video outlines. Perfect for YouTubers, bloggers, freelancers, and creators. Prompt 6. Personal productivity coach. Act as my productivity coach. Prioritize my tasks based on urgency and importance. Create a realistic daily schedule with breaks, estimated completion times, and productivity tips. This helps you stay organized and finish more work. Prompt 7. Resume and interview coach. Act as an experienced HR manager. Review my resume, improve it for ATS systems. Rewrite weak sections, suggest better keywords. Identify missing skills, and generate interview questions. Perfect for students, freshers, experienced professionals, and career changers. Those were 7 ChatGPT prompts that can save you hours every day. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Logic Vise for more AI tools, ChatGPT prompts, Python projects, and automation tutorials. Let me know in the comments which prompt was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.